Today I am introducing Gionee S11 with all its specs, features and price. So see full video and don't forget about subscribing, and must hit like, thanks. Gionee S11 is releasing in December 2017. S11 has HYBRIB Dual SIM, NANO SIM, and Dual Standby. Gionee S11 has IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, 16 colors. S11 has 5.99 inches large screen. And also multi-touch. Gionee S11 has Android 7.1, Nougat. CPU of S11 is Octa-core 2.5 GHz Cortex-A53. And 256 GB memory card is sported, and internal memory of S11 is 64 GB, with 4 GB RAM. Gionee S11 has dual 16MP plus 5MP autofocus, LED flash, Geo-tagging, touch focus, face detection, HDR, and panorama. S11. It has dual front camera 16 megapixel plus 8 megapixel. Sensor of Gionee S11 are fingerprint, rear-mounted. It has non-removable LiPo 3410 mAh battery, and S11 is available in Moonlight Blue, Space Gold, and Cherry Powder colors, and price of S11 is €320.
Thanks for watching. Must like the video and also subscribe our channel for watching more upcoming videos.